Tamarac.
There's word tonight that teenager will no longer face charges while the deputies involved remain under investigation. Let's get right to Local 10 News reporter Roy Ramos to run it all down live in Tamarac. Roy.
Lori and Calvin, well, we met with the attorney representing DeLuca Roll early this morning. They said he should not be facing any charges because he was the victim in this incident. Well, we just received new information from the state attorney's office that said all of those charges filed against him will be dropped. They issued a statement that reads, in part, the Broward State Attorney's Office has made a decision that will not file any charges against the 15-year-old juvenile who was arrested on Thursday in Tamarac. The investigation of the sheriff's deputies' actions is ongoing.
Just sad and upset.
15-year-old DeLuca Roll was joined by his attorney along with his mother and aunt as they walked into the Broward County State Attorney's Office Tuesday morning. Roll now represented by National Civil Rights Attorney Ben Crump and attorney Sue Ann Robinson.
He's a victim.
Roll's rough arrest getting local and national attention. Robinson telling me following the hour-and-a-half-long meeting they want the state attorney to drop the trespassing charge, resisting arrest charge, and assault charges on a police officer.
We're asking the state attorney to thoroughly investigate and hold the officers accountable.
The meeting comes 5 days after Roll is seen on cell phone video being pepper sprayed, thrown to the ground, punched, and having his head forced into the pavement by a Broward Sheriff's deputy. What are you doing? This all happening outside of McDonald's in Tamarac Thursday when students from nearby J.P. Taravella High School showed up to watch two teens fight when things took a turn.
He was abused. Yes. That's how he feels.
The deputies involved have since been reassigned to administrative duties pending the outcome of the investigation, but Robinson and her legal team say right now their priority is with Roll.
The next step is to make sure that the case is thoroughly investigated, that he doesn't face any charges for being abused.
And again, Roll will not face any charges for the incident that happened right here in this parking lot of the McDonald's here in Tamarac. We will continue to check in with the state attorney's office to find out if any of the deputies involved in that incident will face any charges.